Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your speaker EDIFIER MS50A. Firstly, we need to turn off this speaker. So, press and hold at the power button at the top of your speaker. Yeah, now we did it. It disconnected from your phone. We can check that at the device list. If you have iPhone, you will see the information that there is no connection, and if you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. After that, you need to press and hold at the power button again to turn on it. And now we just turn on it, and the speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically if the speaker in the Bluetooth mode. So if it's blinking blue, it means that it's in the Bluetooth mode. Okay, I think this time we don't want to reconnect automatically, so if you have the same, you can just tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!